Today, you will learn how to incorporate interactive content into your Open edX courses using just a URL. We'll start in Studio. Go to your course, access Advanced Settings, and add LTI Consumer to the Advanced Module list. Next, enter your unit and select the Advanced block, then choose the LTI Consumer component. Proceed to edit this component and ensure you select LTI version 1.3. Now, let's move to the platform of the interactive component. In our example, we will use quizzes. Create a new component tailored to the content of your course. Once created in quizzes, copy the URL intended for sharing your component on the web. Return to Studio and paste this URL into the Tool Launch URL and Tool Initiative Login URL fields. With these steps, you will have successfully added interactive content to your course. This functionality is not suitable for all LTI resources and does not work for embedding any content. Explore our list of 7 LTIs that we have shared with you and enhance your courses with interactive content. If you are ready to innovate your teaching methods and need guidance in the process, do not hesitate to contact us at sales@eduNEXT.co. We are here to support you every step of the way towards a more interactive and collaborative education.